Installing a solar panel on a square or U-channel post requires an adapter. Install the adapter on top of the post with 2 bolts. Make sure the bolts are screwed in properly to prevent the solar panel from moving around. Pass the solar panel cable through the adapter. Slide the solar panel over the adapter. Tighten the screws with an Allen key. Make sure the solar panel is facing south and is clear of obstructions. Traffic bell flasher can be installed directly on square or U-channel post. Pass the cable through the post before bolting the flasher to the post. Bolt the flasher in place, leaving at least 3 inches of clearance from the top of the pole to the top of the flasher. Leave the middle hole for the bolt on rectangular flasher. Pass the cable through the post and tighten the bolt to secure the flasher.